us your mercy. We shall certainly be of the losers. Allah said, Get down, one of you an enemy to the other, Adam, Eve, and Satan, etc. On earth will be a dwelling place for you and an enjoyment. For a time, he said, therein you shall live and therein you shall die, and from it you shall be brought out, resurrected. 7:22-25 Again there are old stories about these events. Al-Hafiz ibn Asakir narrated that Allah commanded 2 angels to remove Adam from his holy proximity. So Gabriel stripped him of the crown on his head, and Michael took the diadem from his forehead. Adam thought that his punishment had been hastened and bowed down crying, Forgiveness! Forgiveness!